Welcome to Cooking with Christa. We made lamb today. So we did lamb pieces and then we also did lamb loin, which has a bone in it. We cooked them a little bit separately, but we used the same marinade, and it's an easy to do recipe. I feel like a lot of people overlook lamb. They don't think about it as a solid base to eat, but it's so easy and it's so good. So we will do that today. Lamb like pieces that you would make in a stew, but we're just gonna grill them like a steak. And then lamb loin, that's it. I was like, definitely sounds weird, but it's a lamb loin. So that has a bone in it, and we're gonna marinate them the same way, but we're gonna cook them a little bit separately. We're going to do the loin first because it takes a little bit longer, and then the little pieces in secondary, and we'll just see how they turn out. We need it says 4 cloves of garlic. So what that actually is, instead of a clove, it's a teaspoon. So 1 clove is 1 teaspoon of garlic. That's a fun fact. So you could use minced garlic as a substitute. 1, 2, and then 1 more. Then 1 tablespoon of rosemary. I guess I really like my rosemary. So 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Rosemary is such an underrated spice. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Yes. What am I missing? Oh, a zest of lemon and ground pepper. Just a little. There we go. And then a zest of lemon. Oh, sorry. Little guy. Oops. Okay, so lemon, all we need to do is, I just take a knife. This is probably not the proper way to do it. And you just zest it, you just like scrape some lemon pieces in there. It doesn't need to be a lot. I think I put too much last time and you can definitely tell. So just like little pieces of lemon, scrape, 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 scrape. And it just actually a little goes a long way. So we just got these from the bakery at Whole Foods. Sometimes they're already pre-made, like this one you can just pick up, but then this we had to ask the butcher for some more. So these are stew boneless. This has bone. Okay, lamb. Okay, lamb, yes. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. All right, so I'm gonna put that in here. Oh my gosh, yes. Lamb, I feel like is some meat that no one ever thinks about, and it's so easy and it's so good. Okay, cool, perfect. And then I'm just going to pour the rest in here, and then we have to let it sit. So it's all the rosemary, garlic, olive oil, salt. I mean, that's so easy, such easy, simple ingredients. All right, so we'll let this hang out for about 30 minutes before we put it in the oven. The lamb has been marinating for, half an hour. I started preheating the oven at 400 because it has to be nice and hot. And this is a little more advanced. Not everyone has a cast iron skillet, but we do, so that's what we're gonna use today. But there are definitely lots of recipes for lamb, very similar, that just say cook it on top without the cast iron skillet. But we're gonna put it in the oven and it helps speed up the process. So this is only gonna be like a 5 to 10 minute oven time. I gotta let this marinate a little bit more. I'm gonna put some olive oil in here and then get it really hot. So I gotta turn it on and then put it on high and then put the olive oil in it. Oop, I have a lot of this, right? I'll be cautious. I have a heavy hand, so sometimes it pours out. It's nice and hot. Okay, cool. That's gonna splatter at me. I'm actually gonna pour this like on top. And then the other pieces as well. So we're gonna get all of this on here. So each side has about 3 minutes. I wanna get all of these in here. But these little pieces cook so quickly, so we gotta keep an eye on them so they don't dry out. That's the only thing about cooking 2 different cuts of meat together. Okay. So it should take about 3 minutes for each side. It says how's it's gonna go. So we wait. Oh my gosh, see, like that piece is already kind of cooked. So we gotta make sure we flip that over. See, these little pieces go so fast. Yes, meat. Oh my God. Oh my, look at that one. It's been only about like a minute. Also a thing when you're cooking on the stovetop like this, like the oil spurts out. So you want to be careful not to get hit by oil because it's really hot and it hurts so bad. I'm ready for the oven. All right, hopefully it'll fit. Ooh, there we go. Perfect. So 5 minutes on the timer. Great. Yes. Okay. So the timer went off for 5 minutes. So we gotta get this heavy skillet out. Woo! Woo! Yes. Lots of steam. Okay, just the little pieces are gonna go on a plate, and then we're gonna put the big pieces back in. So the little guys should be ready. We don't want them. They almost look like, should they cook so quickly? I feel like I could just put them in for a minute or two and they'd probably be all done already. Yeah, these kind of look a little cooked. I like mine a little more on the rare side, so I can already tell these are definitely a little overcooked for my liking, but those need another, I'm just gonna put them in another 2 minutes because I don't want them to overcook either. Okay, another, just 2 minutes. Timer. Okay, got it. Check. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my gosh. Woo! All right, let me get a knife to cut it open. They look perfect in my opinion, so I'm gonna put them on the plate and let them cool down for a minute or two and then eat, eat, eat. Yeah, they look great. Awesome! So excited to eat. Perfect. Thank you for watching Cooking with Christa. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Please let me know down in the comments if there's any recipes you would like to see for the future. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you on the next one. See you soon. Bye.